What is it? What happened there?
I found the Easter Bunny.
What'd he do with them?
Didn't take them. He didn't take these.
Oh, he didn't take those ones?
No.
Stay in here. We gotta wait for Dad.
And you gotta be sure.
What? What is it?
You gotta be chilling in my shoes.
Did you see some over there? Oh, goodness.
There's some in my shoes.
It's your shoe.
I need to tell Dad. And then the bloody show. Dad, there's some Easter eggs in my shoes.
Holy
You
smoke!
gotta be chilling.
Alright, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Here, look, you got a basket up here to put them in.
Yeah, baby.
Whoa!
What's in it?
You're just going. You're opening when you go too, huh? Wow.
Do you want to have a basket to collect them in?
Yeah.
Right here. Put them in this one.
So you know what? Woo! There's another one in there. Okay, thanks.
You're pretty good at finding.
Whoa!
Whoa!
And Mom, you have to look for your wife.
What's that one?
Skittles.
Oh my word. What?
I see something in there
heck?
you don't even see yet. No.
Whoa.
What is that?
Molly! You're in a wager!
What do you think of that, Abe? He's got two. Like,
Oh my gosh!
we'll get him. Oh, it's too dark over there. Dang it. Can you turn on the dining room light?
Get out of my shoe! I need a basket.
We'll put him in the basket.
That's what Mama was telling me. Is it raining out there?
Pouring. That silly Easter bunny, he's put them everywhere.
And Aiden I need table! Oh, there's one over there. There's one over there.
Oh my goodness.
I'm hacking it. I'm packing him.
You're packing him?
Woo! Woo! Candy!
Woo! Woo!
Candy!
Oh!
You're not singing that candy! That was ridiculous! There's one.
Hey, gradually just he'll cover everything on him. Gradually.
What the? That was jelly beans in it! Jelly!